Hi guys, welcome back to my channel JoSum Vlogs. I am Jo and today is the 32nd day of the 40 days challenge. So today I'll be making a fresh and flavorful salad dish with white beans and microgreens. Today's salad is a combination of creamy white beans with the concentrated flavors and the vitamins of microbeans. As we all know, white beans are an excellent source of protein and microgreens are an excellent source of vitamins and minerals. And together, white beans and microgreens make for an excellent side dish. And let's see how this is made. A cup of English cucumbers, half a tomato, 1/4 cup of onions, sliced basil leaves, sliced orange bell peppers, a cup of boiled white beans, and baby arugula leaves, and baby radish leaves, 1/4 salt to taste, black pepper powder. I'm using 2 lime juice cubes. Now give it all a nice mix. There you go guys, my beautiful microgreens and white beans salad for lunch is ready. This is what I'm going to have for lunch today. It's absolutely pretty and nutritious. Here you go guys, the very nutritious white beans and microgreens, that is baby arugula and baby radish leaves I've used in the salad. So they are highly nutritious firstly and very high in fiber. So this is my lunch today. So I'm going to enjoy this lunch. I kept the ingredients very simple. My today's 2 cents has a little backstory and very cute one though that we all go through. One thing is, this is again a long time ago guys, when I was not married. The hard fact is that whenever the kids hit the rock bottom, the first circle or set of people that get impacted are your parents, right? Parents get impacted when the children hit the rock bottom and they do anything in this world to bring them back on their feet and give them all the necessary tools to fight back and bounce back and with a bang. Respect to all the parents. Now I'm a parent too now, so I understand that. I respect all the parents for helping all the children to get back in the grind. And how? In one such occasion when I was hitting my rock bottom many years ago, I remember my father giving me an 1-hour lecture or 1 hour of talking to make me understand the facts of life. In one such occasion, my father mentioned this beautiful quote to me and I've never forgotten this till today, and I'm sure I will not forget this ever in my future as well. So thank you Daddy for telling me such a beautiful quote which remained with me all my life and will remain till the end. Here's the quote. When you finally trust someone without any doubt, you finally get one of the 2 results. Number 1, a person for life, or number 2, a lesson for life. Until I see you guys in my next vlog, bye-bye.